Grandpa Walt, we're in Wall, South Dakota, and I thought we'd take a Rapid City Pier and Eastern Railroad here. Looks like they're waiting to depart. Don't see their lights on, don't see a crew inside, but definitely can hear the engines running. But yeah, they're facing towards the west here, so it looks like they'll be heading towards Rapid City. You got the grain silos here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Got some loading up over there, but yeah. We'll be heading that way towards Rapid City. Have a great day.